Hello, my dear students. Dear students, today we will discuss about its exercise. The chapter name is the Kabliwala. So, coming to the exercise. So, dear, the chapter name is the Kabliwala. Chapter 5. So, number 1, choose the correct options. Here, three options. We can choose one correct answer. Minnie was a girl. Discard. Students, options A, B, C. You can put tick mark inside the box and find out the correct answers. So here the 5-year-old. This option is correct. Second, who according to Minnie said that there is an elephant in the clouds. So the students, the options is V, Bhola. So students, you can see it, I am preparing some hard copies for you. You can follow it hard copies, so you can follow it. Then, what would the Kabliwala often give meaning? So students, the answer is almonds and raisins. So number 4, what was the real name of the Kabliwala? You students, you know, three options here: Raju, Bhola, Rahman. So you know the right answer is Rahman. Question number 2, write T for true or F for false statements. These are statements. You can find out for which statement is true, which one is false. First, Ramdal was the name of the gardener. So statement is false. You can put F. Minnie was equitical. Statement is false. The Kabliwala used to sell books. Statement is false. Minnie and the Kabliwala had become good friends. So, dear students, this statement is true. Then, short answer questions. First question, what did Minnie's mother often stop her from doing? The answer is Minnie's mother would often tell her to stop her rattle. Of second one, what did the Kabliwala sell? The students, here the answer. The Kabliwala sold boxes of grapes, dry fruits and shawls. Then, question number 3. What did the narrator think of Minnie's talkative nature? So students, the answer is Minnie's father thought that her chatter was very lively. It felt unnatural to see her quit as their own chats were always lively. Question number 4. What did Kabliwala do with the coin given to him by the narrator? So, the answer is Kabliwala gave the coin to Minnie. Then, long answer questions. First one, why was Minnie scared of the Kabliwala at first? The answer is Kabliwala was a tall man with a big bag. Minnie had a blind herself that students, Minnie had a blind belief that inside his bag there were two or there three other children like herself. This thought was scary for her. Kabliwala tried to bribe her by giving almonds and raisins, but she was not interested and ran to her mother for protection. Next one. How did the Kabliwala win Minnie's affection? The answer is Minnie was a chatterbox to her and she found a patient listener in Kabliwala. He won her affections by offering nuts and raisins to her, which she tied to one end of her little sari. After that, They used to chat and laugh together at their own jokes. So, students, then question number 3. Why was the Kabliwala sent to jail? Do you think he was a criminal? Question number 3. Answer is a certain neighbor had owed the peddler some money for a Rampuri shal, but had falsely denied having bought it. In the course of heated argument, Kabliwala had struck the man with his knife. He was now calling his enemy all sort of names. Police intervened and were now taking Kabliwala to jail. Kabliwala was not a criminal, but his way of dealing with the heated situation was wrong. So, students, then question number 4. Why did the narrator feel ashamed about Minnie forgetting the Kabliwala as time passed? The answer is the narrator was ashamed that his daughter had forgotten about Kabliwala because they had shared a close friendship, once which was now forgotten. The Kabliwala had not forgotten about Minnie and had bought nuts and raisins for her even after such a long time. Then, question number 5. What did the Kabliwala realize when he saw Minnie in her wedding dress? The answer is Minnie was of same age as Rahman's daughter. When Rahman saw Minnie in her wedding attire, he realized that his daughter too must have grown in this long time. He would have to make friends with her again. He thought about what all could have happened to her in all these years when he was not there. So, students, then answer the following questions with reference to context. The first one, what was the narrator's relation to Minnie? The answer is the narrator was Minnie's father. Then, question, what was so unnatural about seeing Minnie quiet? The answer is, you can see the hard copies. Minnie was a chatterbox and liked talking all the time, so it was unnatural to see her quit. Then, question number C. What is another word for cheerful in this context? So, dear students, cheerful means lively. Next page. Second bit. A. With whom did the narrator have the conversation? So the answer is the narrator had the conversation with Rahman, the Kabliwala. Question C. Who is the little girl being asked about here? The students, the little girl is Minnie. Minnie is the little girl being asked about. Next, third bit. Who took out a small piece of paper from his pocket? So the student's answer is Rahman took out a piece of paper from his pocket. Next, whose hand impression was made on